In this section, we're going to use MySQL for storing our data. In case you don't know, MySQL is a very popular database engine. There are, of course, many other database engines out there like Postgres, SQL Server, MongoDB, and so on. Now, if you prefer a different database engine, that's totally fine, but I would suggest you to use MySQL in this section so you can easily follow the lessons. So head over to mysql.com, go to Downloads. Now, at the bottom of this page, you'll find this link, MySQL Community version, which is absolutely free. Then go to MySQL Community Server, and on this page, download the latest version for your operating system. Now for Mac, keep in mind that we have two DMG files for different CPU architectures. We have one for ARM, the other for x86. So if you're a Mac user, depending on the type of your Mac, you have to find the right DMG file. Once you download this, you will get an installation wizard. Just click through, it's very easy to set up. Just remember, as part of that, you'll be asked to enter a root password. So root is like the admin user for our database engine. So whatever password you use for the root user, keep a note of that because in the next lesson, we're going to come back to it. Okay. Now, this is just the database server or database engine. We also need a tool for viewing our database. Now, MySQL gives you a tool called MySQL Workbench. Again, it's free. I don't like this tool. It's ugly. So in this section, I'll be using a tool called DataGrip from JetBrains.com. I absolutely love this tool, but you have to pay to use it. Having said that, you can try it for free for 30 days. So head over to JetBrains.com/DataGrip and download the latest version.